Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Jamaica? The average annual gross salary is 5,200 US dollars, or roughly 433 US dollars each month. After deductions, the average net salary is 4,810 US dollars per year, or about 401 US dollars monthly. In Kingston, the average annual gross salary is higher at 6,136 US dollars, which is roughly 511 US dollars per month. The net salary there is 5,676 US dollars yearly, or about 473 US dollars each month. This higher city pay may reflect stronger demand and higher living costs. Experience, hotel work, office cleaning, and night shifts can also affect pay. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.